So in this live, I'm going to be doing some maintenance on my ring stretcher. I've already removed this part right here. There's just a screw. This was right there, and I undid that. But other than that, I haven't done anything. And as soon as I remove this gear, I got a good idea of why I've been having so much trouble using this stretcher. There's it's basically dry in spots, which is not great. So what I'm going to do next is remove this piece right here and then clean up the inside, clean up all the parts, grease them up, and put it back together. This is the first time I've done any kind of serious maintenance on this ring stretcher. I've had it for about 3 years, so it's probably due. I mean, we can see from the gear that, yeah, there's not much grease on that. Also on the inside, it's pretty bone dry in there too. So the leverage of this machine works, but it only works if it's greased up. So we're gonna fix her up today, see if we can make it work better. If anybody has any questions while I disassemble my tool, feel free to put them in the chat. If you want to check out the 4th of July sale, you can tap the gold chain at the bottom of the screen. Everything on my shop is 25% off right now. And if you have any questions, yeah, just put them in the chat. Thanks for watching. I also have a feeling that the main spike in the middle of this isn't greased up very well either. So we'll take a look at that here in a second. Well, when I first got this thing, it worked so well. But like I said, I've been using it for years. Not only is it not greased up, it's got, I don't know if I can focus that, little shards of steel on it. So let's try and get that fixed up. And the inside of this doesn't look much better either. It's all pretty grody. I saw a guy online yesterday say that we could work this up by shoving that gear back in there. That doesn't want to come out at all, though. That's peculiar. I've also got some really gross buildup on the inside here, and since I can't pull this out all the way, I'm gonna hit that with some air duster. Oh my God, there's shiny metal underneath there. Look at that. Must be an air duster. That whole thing. just doesn't want to come out all the way. I'm based in Texas. Well, we'll do the best we can with what we have. Again, check out the shop, 4th of July sale, 25% off everything at buycoinrings.com. Tap the gold chain down here if you'd like to check it out. We're doing some maintenance today, so we're going to be cleaning this thing up real quick. It is recommended to do this kind of maintenance wearing gloves. I have one super small glove that doesn't fit my hand, so. Did I remove the pin under? Oh my gosh, you're so smart. Work it down. Yeah. So there's nothing underneath here that I can see that's holding it in. Not even from the very back. And there's supposed to be like a ram head on this, but I already removed that. So I don't know what's locking this in here. At a certain point it just stops. I don't know. Either way, we're gonna clean it up, grease it up, do the best we can with what we have. So let's see here. First thing I'm gonna do is just run a paper towel through this cavity a couple times. Get any of that gunk off of there. Then we'll grab another paper towel. Get all of that gunk off of there. Well, one part I'm really worried about trying to clean is inside here. I think my best bet is just again to use the air duster and knock out what I can. So I'm gonna do that over a trash can. Honestly, that was quite effective. Like it's much cleaner in there now. My hands are gross, but that actually kind of worked. Because if I take this and this spring off of these and I get these out of sequence, this won't work anymore. So I'm trying to keep this piece together. It's actually like multiple pieces held by two springs. but I think we got it cleaned up a lot better. Whole piece is held by 2 springs, but I think we got it cleaned up a lot better.